Hi, I'm Oscar van Deventer and this is smooth gearing. The puzzle is solved now because everything gears very smoothly. But let me scramble the puzzle, and I do that by lifting the red gear and then spinning everything randomly and then connect them again. And even though they fit, we don't have any smooth gearing anymore. And the reason why it doesn't gear smoothly is because all the teeth have slightly different shapes, and depending on how you put them together, let's see. Okay, this is, it's always, okay, here we have something that, no, it doesn't go smoothly. Here we have some space where it turns smoothly, but then it gets stuck. So in order to remember the solution, I have put a lot of numbers here, starting from, let's see where we are, from 0 to 64, or actually from 1 to 64, because that's, there is some binary symmetry in the design, and you can make an attempt by putting things here, and at some point in time you get your smooth gearing. And okay, I have solved it again, so now it's gearing again smoothly. And my question to you is about the solution. So regular people would need a lot of trial and error, just trying different teeth until things fit, and then they turn, but they don't go. But nerds solve this puzzle in one single attempt, or even without trying. And the question is, why can nerds solve this puzzle so easily? Thank you for watching.